Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create that classic blinking text cursor effect right inside Figma. Whether you're working on a UI mockup, a login screen, or just want to add a lively touch to your next project, this tutorial will give your designs a realistic, dynamic feel. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make text that blinks just like a real cursor, which really makes any text field pop and catches your user's eye. Let's get started and walk through this step by step together. Alright, first thing you want to do is open up Figma. If you've got it open already, fantastic. Otherwise, take a second to get it launched and hop into a fresh canvas or your current design file. The process works the same no matter what type of project you have. Now let's create the base for our blinking text. Go ahead and type out an example, something simple like demo for now. It really doesn't matter what word you use, we just want something we can work with. Once you've typed your text, select it and convert it into a component. If you're new to components, think of them like reusable building blocks for your designs. This step is really important because it allows us to add animation and interact with it later on. Just right-click on your text and choose Create Component. Great, with our component ready, it's time to add a variant. Variants in Figma let you create different states for a component, like on and off for a toggle switch, or in our case, visible and invisible text to get that blinking effect. In the right sidebar, you'll see a button that says Add Variant. Click this and you'll notice a second version of your text component appears side by side, here where the magic starts. Select your new variant and in the fill settings, take the opacity all the way down to 0%. This basically makes our second state completely invisible. Think of it as the moment when the cursor blinks off. You might be tempted to delete the contents, but keeping the text there ensures both variants align perfectly when switching. Now, for the next steps, we'll set up the interactions. Hold down the Control key or Command if you're on a Mac and click on the first text variant to select it. Then, in the top menu, switch over to the Prototype tab. We want to add an interaction so that after a short delay, our component flips to the invisible state. Click the little circle on the right side of your selected component and drag it over to the second variant. When the interaction menu pops up, choose After Delay and set a short time, like 500 milliseconds. This controls how quickly the cursor blinks. Feel free to tweak this timing until it looks just right to you. Alright, let's do the same thing for our second text variant. Select it and again drag its prototype handle back to the first variant. Set the interaction to After Delay and match the delay time you set before. This way the cursor will blink on and off in a loop. Don't worry if you get tripped up here, just double check your delays are consistent and the looping will work smoothly. Now that our interaction is set, time to test it out. Go to the Assets tab in the left panel, find your shiny new blinking text component, and drag it into your canvas, wherever you want that blinking cursor effect to appear. This is a great way to prototype multiple text fields quickly, since you can drag the same component again and again. The final step, preview your hard work. At the top right, hit the play button to enter presentation mode, and you should instantly see your text blinking back and forth, just like a real cursor. If it blinks too fast or too slow, hop back and adjust the delay settings until you love how it looks. That's really all there is to it. So there you have it, a super simple way to make authentic blinking cursor animations right inside Figma. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you got it working or if you have any questions. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more practical Figma tips and design tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.